I don't know what my bangs are doing today. Hello everyone. I was bored and I wanted to do my eyebrows and I figured why don't I make an eyebrow routine for you guys. Yeah, this is my eyebrow routine. So I just pulled my bangs back. We're kind of getting in the way. I can see my eyebrows more clear now. First thing I do is I take the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. I use this side to kind of just brush, kind of calm it. The hairs a little bit, I guess. After I brush through my eyebrows, I usually like to kind of start to do the outline, the arch of the eyebrow first before I fill anything in. I'm just gonna take my glasses off because it's getting in the way. That's okay, I guess. Once I'm done with the arch, I go with a Q-tip and I just go with makeup remover, just clean up around the edges. I don't have anything on my face right now besides the pencil. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. This doesn't have a name. I don't know what it is, but it's for eyebrows and you fill it in. And you can see I hit the pan on this because I use it. I'm just gonna go in and fill in this. I'm just gonna blend it out using my brow pencil again. So now I'm going to kind of sharpen up the body of the eyebrow. I don't know what it's called. The start of the eyebrow, this part. Yeah. And now I'm just going to clean the eyebrow up with this Q-tip again because I got a little messy at the beginning. It's okay, I can just clean it up. Now kind of just to lock it in, I'm going to use this Gimme Brow Mascara from Benefit. So this is the final look. Since I'm going for a more natural look and I'm not wearing any other makeup besides my brows today, I'm going to not clean it up with concealer. When I clean up my eyebrow with concealer, I go for a more glam look. I'm going to do my other eyebrow off camera and then I'll be right back. But this is the final look, I guess. If my bangs look crazy, it's because I just washed them because I wash them every morning. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and like and comment what I should do next. Okay, thank you. Bye.